We are going to take you on a journey that starts with a man who grew up on a farm in central Wisconsin. He created an invention that formed Miller Electric, a world leader in welding equipment based in Appleton, Wisconsin. In 1929, the U.S. economy entered the Great Depression. Families were struggling to pay the bills. Appleton was a city that grew up on the Fox River. It's famous for the first hydroelectric power plant in the world. It was also known as Paper Valley. Paper mills lined the Fox River. They needed more electrical equipment, which created a prime market for Kurz and Root Company. 41-year-old Nels Miller was working in Appleton for Kurz and Root. In his spare time, Nels tinkered in his basement with the hope of creating the first affordable electric arc welder. His new idea would enable farmers and industry to join metal together and create new products, and also fix existing equipment. Nels Miller did invent the first affordable electric arc welder. After Nels' initial success with his invention, he teamed up with John Mulder. John knew how to set up distribution for Nels' new welding equipment business. From the humble beginnings of a basement invention, thanks in part to the Miller family's 60 years of leadership, Miller Electric has become a world leader in electric arc welding equipment. From boats to buildings and cars to spacecraft, welding is the backbone of many industries that involve joining metal. We touch products that are welded every day of our lives. The welding industry is one of the most fascinating industries. The joy of seeing a person restore an old car or visiting an air show is all possible due to welding. We take welding for granted today, but it all started over a century ago. Today, Miller Electric is a technology leader, applying for over 50 patents a year. Welding is technically very interesting, as it combines the sciences of metals, software, electrical, mechanical, and welding engineering with chemistry and physics, all together to innovate in the creation of modern welding equipment. Miller Electric also cares about the community we live in, with strong contributions through volunteering and financial support of organizations like the Boys and Girls Club, Pillars, Youth Robotics, Junior Achievement, and many other organizations through the United Way in our community. Serving the welding industry and satisfying our customers is the key to our success at Miller Electric. Our company is people-oriented, creating a safe and fun environment where we work together to build the future of the welding industry. For more information, you can visit millerwelds.com.